Hi guys, welcome to Flipping Cars and Repairs. I thought I'd show you a tutorial of changing the heater blower motor on a Audi Q7 2006 to 2014, I think it is. Alright, basically just bought this. I think it was about 40-50 quid on eBay. The symptoms was, for literally about a few months, my heater blower motor was making a squeaking noise, because obviously it's quite common that water gets in it. So it was doing it for a while, and then I was just ignoring it, and then after a while it all of a sudden just went bang. As you can see, it's all steamed up, and it's pretty much impossible to drive the car with it. It's very dangerous, so I thought I'd do this. So what you got to do is you basically got a couple of screws, Torx under here. So you do that first, and then you open up the glove box. And you've got a couple under here, so we'll do that now, and then you'll see. One there, and one there. So you've got 3 Torx. Press this button to open your glove box, and under here, so there's 3 inside the glove box. Undo them. Alright, so that's 6 screws. So now this should just pull off gently. And what you've got is a couple of connectors. Right, so what you do is just leave off one side and then pull the other side with your finger. Or you can use 2 screwdrivers. So I've undone that one, I've undone this one, I've undone this one. Just undo all these just so I don't get tangled up. Now this whole glove box should actually open up. Make sure everything is completely gone. Alright, there is another motor because I have an electronic button on it, which is just down there. Press these 2 in, and that comes out nicely. And now that's the whole glove box completely removed. As you can see, that's the electronic motor for the push button. Now in here is where the fan is hiding. Right, so you remove all these cables, and you remove all this cover. Obviously put it all back because it's all your nice deadening, sound deadening and everything else to make it nice and quiet. Pull that out. We'll put it to the side, whatever you want to do. So what you've got is you've got all these screws, all these screws, nuts, bolts, whatever they are. So I need to remove this panel here, which is under here, which you should literally just get a pull off like that. All the sound deadening's all off. Pull this cover off under here, that just pulls off, and as you can see, there is the motor just up there, and there it is. So now we've just got to undo them little screws, and then we're done. Right, the screws for this blower motor, heater blower motor for the Audi, is not a 5mm and it's not a 6mm, it's a 5.5. If you don't have a 5.5, you can use a 6 and then put a rubber glove on the end, which will work. Or the actual real size that will actually fit is a 7.32. Right, it's very fiddly. It's an upside down job in the footwell, but as you can see, if I shine the torch up there, you've got that screw there, you've got one just up here where my finger is, you've got another one there, you've got another one here, and tucked up behind there you have another two. Nice and fiddly. So now what you've got to do is you just press these two prongs in. That should all come out now. I think my Audi Q7 has definitely got a faulty heater blower motor. Something has been leaking. And look at the state of that. And I wonder why it's squeaking, and it finally died. This is that one. And then this is the new one. Old, new. Yeah, definitely need to change them. Right, so if I show you, the screws. So right, make sure this groove here slots in nicely. So obviously, right, this is how it faces. So you've got a screw there, you've got a screw there, okay, you've got a screw underneath there, and another one there, another one there, and another one there. Right, so you got, and then you've also got that one there. So basically you got 5 underneath, and then 2 at the back, which are this one and this one, that one and that one, that one and that one. It's the biggest nightmare ever. So let's fit this back in. Right, let's connect it up. Let's see if it works before we do anything else. And as you can hear, it's on. Yes, it's working. Brilliant. I can actually see out the window now. Jesus Christ. It's actually not a bad job, to be fair. It's just very awkward. If you don't like small spaces, then you're buggered. But just shove your head down there. Right, that's all connected. That one, one at the back, one there. So now I'm just going to put this back in. It's just reversal of obviously undoing it and then putting it all back together. Anyway guys, it's all working now. Hope this has actually helped you, because obviously I've done this video to help everyone else out. So if you liked it, please like and subscribe for more on the Q7. Thanks, see you soon.